Let me assure you, Mr. President, that you are accepted here. You are the president of this country, elected by the people of this country. Your election was doubted, and eventually the court confirmed your election. So you were elected not by the people only, but by the highest court of the land. You are president in every respect. And you have not been discriminatory to us here. I can only ask you for one thing, Mr. President, as an elder. As I told you on the 18th of November last year, I want to see peace in this country before I join my ancestors. I want to see peace in the Southeast, particularly where there is all sorts of crisis. And something that will lead to that peace, that will help us to settle that peace, is just around the corner. And I ask you, Mr. President, give me the mandate, give me the person I want. And I will give you peace. I will give you peace. I guarantee you that, Mr. President. We say in Igbo land that a madman is owned by people. If somebody was bad yesterday, and on guarantee of elders like me and others, and we bring him out, Father, that will create more peace in this country. Help us to give the peace, and I'll give you the peace in part of this country, and also in Nigeria, because I'm a Nigerian. I took part in the struggle for independence of this country. At the age of 23, I went to prison in the hands of Great Britain. My second imprisonment was at the age of 23 with Tony Nahor and others. I am part of this country, and I'm not going to leave the country. I will die a Nigerian, and we handed over peace to you. I'm not going to die until we find that peace.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.